Don't have a goal. Live without any directions. Just live and don't care about what you should do. There's nothing you can change, and that's how your life's supposed to be. Give up. There's no point of fighting. Consume and be happy from that, cause someday you will be successful and rich when the good times comes. Don't take care of yourself. Eat what you want. A little more weight doesn't affect you. There is no point of eating healthy foods. Don't read what you eat, cause everything is plastic and you can't do anything. Don't care about your sleep. Don't even try to improve your appearance, cause you can't change how it looks. Be scared of taking action. Don't even try to leave your comfort zone. Instead of this, be constantly distracted. Run away from your responsibilities and don't try to change it. Avoid new things, people, and experience. Stay at home and be safe. Don't develop. You went or you are going to school so you don't have to study more. Nobody cares about your muscles, so there is no point of training. Don't waste time on reading or training cause it's not entertaining like video games, YouTube or TV. Blame everyone. You had done everything to be successful, but others not. So it's their fault why I didn't succeed. Maybe you were a little bit lazy, but others don't give me support that I want. Time wasn't great to start and also my conditions were not perfect. So it's their fault.